You can use this alone when you're swimming if you don't have fins. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, or if you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. Today we received gifts from our friend from Higher Sport, so thank you so much, Mr. Sunny, for the trust. I will be showing to you the Higher Sport shop in Shopee and also the actual products that I received from them. The 3mm socks. It also comes along with Ziploc, right? So this is how it will look like. Naagapon siya strap with Velcro para dili siya dali matangtang, so that it won't be easily removed while you're wearing it underwater. You can use this alone when you're swimming if you don't have fins, so that you can walk on the shore perhaps, or on the underwater ground if wala mo'y fins. It also has anti-skid dots so that you won't slip in slippery, like na mga lumot, if the ground has seaweeds or perhaps shells sticking on it, you won't get wounded by the ground. So thank you so much.
Yupard diving socks, 3mm thick. It is made of nylon, same as their gloves, and the price is 299 pesos, which is currently at 75% discount. If you order something from Higher Sport worth 249 pesos, shipping is already for free. For their socks, it's available in small, medium, large, and extra large, and the price is going to be the same. Slinks diving socks is designed for scuba diving, snorkeling, spearfishing, warming, and underwater engineering. So it's still using a neoprene super stretch material. It's durable and easy drying, and the material is designed for supreme flexibility, warm, light, and less water absorption. And this is the design that you'll be receiving. There's a guide that you can see in the Shopee shop.
Thank you so much, Higher Sport, once again for the trust, Sir Sunny. They have given me before underwater flashlights and unsa pa to daghan na sila products na hatag nato. So thank you so much, Sir Sunny. And also the floating device, the life-saving device, they also gave that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Love you. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't. Like and follow my page if you have not supported yet. And feel free to leave comments or questions in the comment section if you have any questions for Sir Sunny or about the products that I have vlogged today. So once again, please don't forget, Yupard at Higher Sport or higher.ph in Shopee. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Happy diving! Keep safe!